Everyone has an important role to prevent illness, especially during the winter months. Minor illnesses like coughs and colds, sore throats or ear infections can be easily treated at home with cheap medicines from your local pharmacy without needing an appointment or prescription from your GP. As winter approaches, more of us will get sick and suffer from various illnesses. Although coughs can be self-treated and usually go away by themselves, there are times when you should see a GP. Warning symptoms include cough duration longer than 3 weeks, severe cough, where the cough is very bad or worsens quickly, acute breathlessness, coughing up blood. Colds can be self-treated and usually go away by themselves. However, there are times when you should see a GP. If symptoms do not improve after 3 weeks or suddenly worsen, if the temperature is very high or you feel very hot and shivery, if you're suffering from breathlessness or chest pain.